Welcome to the best picks. The best teeth scraper is probably one of the most effective and affordable ways to remove plaque and tartar buildup, offering a deep clean that traditional brushing and flossing often miss. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and using a teeth scraper for optimal oral hygiene, ensuring you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences, and achieve a healthier, brighter smile. Number 5. G.CATACC Dental Tool Kit. It's easy to remove tough plaque and tartar at home with this professional dental tool kit. Get the clean feeling of a professional dental cleaning, right in your own bathroom. This kit has everything you need for a thorough cleaning. 6 tools are included to reach every area of your mouth, making it easy to remove plaque and stains. Unlike cheaper tools, these are made of high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel. They're designed to withstand daily use and provide years of reliable service. The non-slip handles make it easy to control and maneuver these tools with precision. The compact case keeps everything organized and protected. It's simple to sterilize it in hot water or a dishwasher. The kit includes easy instructions, making it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. This kit is suitable for the whole family, even pets. Enjoy cleaner teeth, fresher breath, and a healthier smile. What we like? This comprehensive kit has all the tools you need for a thorough cleaning. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures it will last. If you want a complete and long-lasting solution for home dental care, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great at everything you need to keep your teeth healthy. I like the quality and I bought an extra set for my jewelry crafting with polymer clay. They have not rusted like another set I bought within 3 days after buying and rising with water and not drying off. I do not have to worry about that with these wonderful win-win. Very good quality, professional looking. Works well on tartar buildup. Was expecting a tongue scraper, but I may have changed my choice. Nice kit, quality materials, great carrying case. Number 4. Dental Hygiene Kit. A toothbrush only cleans visible surfaces. This kit reaches those hard-to-clean spots, and the mirror lets you see everything. Prevent costly dental visits. Keep your teeth and gums healthy with this kit for a brighter smile. This kit provides a professional cleaning at home. It includes a mirror, scraper, and toothpick for a thorough cleaning. It complements whitening products and doesn't require toothpaste or mouthwash. These tools are made of high-quality stainless steel. We help you improve your dental hygiene. Try our kit and see noticeable results fast. What we like? Unlike brushing alone, this kit reaches every area of your mouth. It's like having a professional cleaning at home, saving you money on expensive dental visits. If you're looking to improve your dental health and reduce dentist trips, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Great set. Very good condition, strong metal, and got rid of all the plaque on the inside of and between my teeth without having to see the dentist. My teeth feel so much better. These tools are just as advertised. Nice and durable. I use these every night. Ideal for really taking care of your teeth and cleaning off plaque, or just checking them every so often. They're easy to use, too. Number 3. Dental Care Kit. Get professional teeth cleaning from the comfort of your home. This kit helps remove plaque, tartar, and stains between dental visits, leaving you with a brighter smile and fresher breath. It features textured, anti-slip handles for a comfortable and precise grip. The specialized picks and scrapers easily reach every part of your teeth. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, it's built to last. It's rust-proof and easy to clean, simply rinse or sanitize with hot water. The convenient storage case keeps everything organized, clean, and dry. The protective caps prevent accidental scratches during travel. This kit includes everything you need: a mirror, scraper, gum cleaner, probe, tweezers, and picks. It's perfect for families, travelers, and even pet owners. What we like? This kit provides a precise and comfortable cleaning experience. The portable case makes it ideal for travel. If you value convenience and thorough cleaning on the go, this is your best option. What people say. Works great, cleaned up most of the tartar in 1 round, completely in 2. It helps my dentist visits go faster and I have a great report all the time. Well made so far, works to clean out hard to reach areas. Number 2. Utopia Care Tartar Scraper. It's crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a polished finish. This makes it durable, rust-proof, easy to clean, and sterilize. Its wide reach easily cleans hard-to-see areas. It helps clean spots missed during regular brushing and flossing, removing tough stains and tartar. It provides a deep clean, removing plaque to prevent bad breath and keep your teeth shiny. Get a confident, bright smile. Using it is simple and safe. Just wipe it clean after each use. It efficiently removes residue between teeth without causing pain or damaging enamel. Its small size makes it perfect for your purse or bag. Carry it with you for fresh breath and a brighter smile, wherever you go. What we like? This tool is made from high-quality, durable stainless steel. Its simple design makes it easy to use effectively. If you prefer a single, easy-to-use tool for on-the-go cleaning, this is a great choice. What people say? It worked wonderfully. It's an easy-to-use tool, well-made and sturdy, very sharp, and it had no problems removing the stains. I really love this dental cleaning tool. It's sharp, precise, and incredibly effective. It lifts out the particles easily without needing much pressure. Super sharp, and solid enough to scrape plaque with a good grip. Neatly machined and well finished. Number 1. Langsum Teeth Cleaning Kit. It's designed with different angles and shapes to reach those hard-to-clean spots. Say goodbye to missed areas during your daily brushing and flossing. This kit includes a tartar scraper to remove stubborn buildup and a dental probe, which is much more effective than a regular toothpick. Made from high-quality, polished stainless steel, it's built to last. It's also rust-proof, easy to clean, and simple to sterilize. Remove plaque buildup and prevent bad breath. It helps keep your teeth clean, fresh, and bright, boosting your confidence with a wider smile. The durable storage case keeps everything organized and protected. Its tight design prevents the tools from slipping and keeps them safe from scratches. What we like? This kit is designed for ease of use, even for those new to dental tools. The high-quality steel ensures durability, and the portable case keeps everything organized. If you want a simple, effective, and portable solution, this is a great option. What people say? Heavy-duty, cleaning tools. Work well. Easy to use with several choices of tips for many needs. The metal is not too thin, they are quite sturdy. Easy to grip. The quality is very nice metal material. It does not feel like they are going to snap or rust anytime soon. They are sharp, so again be careful when using them around your teeth and gums. But they work great, you get multiple tools. They fit very nice and snug in the little capsule too. Easy to transport. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.